You can easily go from $0 to $2,000 plus per month on the internet as a total beginner, even without investing a dime. But wait, is it really easy? Well, I'll be honest with you, the truth is that it's actually not easy, but then what is success without some discipline and some hard work? Nothing, right? Well, so if you are someone who is really interested in making money online and you really want to make some decent amount of money on the internet, then I bet you really need to watch this video to the very end, because I'll be sharing with you 5 important ways that you can actually use to make up to $2,000 off the internet as a beginner without having to invest too much money. Like some of them you will not even invest a dollar, but some of them are require you to put in some little coins for you to actually get results back faster. So I advise you to watch this video to the very end and pick the one that actually suits your personality and actually take it seriously if you want to make money off the internet. Like basically, the internet made me a millionaire at the age of 20. I'm currently 22 years old, but I saw my first million 2 years ago. So basically, the internet made all of those things possible. So if you are on here and you really want to make money on the internet, then I bet you need to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So let's get straight to today's video. So guys, when it comes to the ways in which you can actually go from 0 to over 2K per month, the first one on my list is actually POD. So POD basically stands for print on demand business. Now, print on demand is one of the easiest and one of the best business you can actually start on the internet without having to invest a dollar. All you basically need is simply your smartphone, an internet connection, or if you are lucky to have a laptop, it will give you a little bit of advantage. But basically, all you need is a device that has access to the internet, and you're basically good to go. Now, what print on demand basically is that you basically edit, make a little design, and then place it on a custom shirt. And then when someone orders that particular shirt, the company that has the print on demand website where you want to do the design will do the delivery and every single thing to the person, and you just sit back and earn a commission depending on the amount that you actually set for that product. Like for example, let me say I go onto a print on demand website right now and I see this particular top that I'm wearing now. Maybe I see the top that is very nice. All I'll basically do is that I want to do an edit and place it on. The edit could be something simple like this. It could basically be maybe a phone pouch, which is phone case, and then I'll just put a little bit design on it. And the best part is that you actually don't need to be an experienced designer to actually make this work, because I've actually made a detailed video that will take you from 0 to actually become a pro in actually a print on demand business, because that video has contained every single thing you need, from how you can right website to use, how you can sign up for the website, how you can make the designs without having any designing experience, and secondly, how you can set up your store. Finally, how you can also do promotion, because the platform is actually going to help you promote and generate sales, and at the same time you can also promote it with your own handles as well. So basically that video has contained the automated way in which you can actually do all of that. So if you are willing to watch that video and really get deep into the print on demand business, then you need to look up for this particular video right now, the video showing on your screen right now. Just look it up on this channel and go watch it. It contains every single thing you need to know about print on demand business. So I might also tag it in this video description as well. So guys, that's the first one on our list, is simply starting a print on demand business. The second on our list is basically content creation. Like basically when it comes to talking about making money online, the list can never be completed. Like without content creation, then the list is actually not complete, because content creation is the easiest way that you can actually use to make like unlimited amount of money. Basically when it comes to content creation, I would say there's no limit to how much you can actually make. You can go from 0 to over 5K or more depending on your audience and how you're actually handling your monetization method. So basically for me, content creation was actually a main game changer for me. Even though when I started off, I started doing a lot of things on the internet, but I would say content creation was actually the game changer, because when it comes to my services that are offered, I generated the sales through content creation. When it goes to the other ways in which I make money off the internet, most of my audience, most of the things I actually got from there came through content creation. So basically I would say content creation is one of the easiest ways to actually make a lot of money off the internet, because there are so many ways you can monetize a simple YouTube channel. Like for example, this particular channel right now, I make money through ad revenue, because probably when you are watching this video, you probably see ads displayed on this video also. Secondly, I can make money by recommending affiliate products. Like if you look at this video description right now, I've recommended most of the services I use to run my day in day out business, such as my website and this YouTube channel as well. Thirdly, I make money through sponsorship. Like people pay me to actually advertise their programs or softwares on this particular channel. And basically you can see in most of my videos I do give shout out to some particular platforms that I'm not even linking to in the video description. Those ones I'm actually paid to just do a shout out to those companies. Fourthly, I get paid through mentorship, and then I also make money through affiliates. And then there are so many ways in which you can actually make money as a content creator. So one thing I advise to do is that don't look for any reason not to start today. Just basically start with the gadget you have today. Just be building your audience gradually. And I give you that with 12 months dedication as a content creator. I'm saying 12 months because I don't believe in fast success. What I mean, I don't believe in fast success doesn't mean that our success cannot come overnight. It can actually come. But then I don't like giving you that false hope that what you can go from zero to this within a short period of time. Again, so basically, when it comes to the second way to actually go from zero to over $2,000 a month, I would say is content creation. And the best part of this is that you can actually see me doing it. Basically, I've been doing content creation since 2021. So basically, if you look at it from 2021 to date, when I started taking it seriously, that has been a solid 4-year period of time. And my oldest video on this channel is actually 4 years old already. So some of you who are willing to get started into content creation, you often come up with this excuse that well, you don't have the right gadget to get started. Like, how can you make money without investing a dime in content creation? Basically, when I started off at first, I didn't have any of these gadgets. Like, I recently started acquiring these gadgets. So when I started off at first, whenever I make profit, I will just invest it back and then upgrade my gadget gradually. I did not wake up one morning and I go get an iPhone, get a microphone, get this laptop, like the ring light I'm using. I did not wake up one morning and I purchase all of these things. The thing is that what I was basically managing what I had at the moment. You can go check my old videos. Majority of them were even faceless before I gradually went into face videos. Even when I was doing face videos, I was using a certain Huawei that I bought for less than $20. If you compare the exchange rate tonight, it was even less than $20 of when I bought that Huawei phone. Those Huawei's with flip camera, I can actually get an image of it. So basically, that was the phone I started with at first. Gradually, I was able to upgrade it to an LG phone. Then when the LG got spoiled, then I got this iPhone and then the Redmi that I have. So currently I'm using 2 mobile phones. But then I did not wake up one morning and get all of this. I basically started something, and over the years I've been able to get this without even bothering myself again. Like, basically for me, now I can go get any single thing I want, all basically because the internet is giving me the money. So if I'm investing it back, getting quality things for the internet, I have no regret. So for you who is getting started, our advice to start with what you currently have right now and then grow with it over time, then you can actually change it. So that is it about this particular point in this video. Simply, you can actually make over $2,000 per month as a content creator, even as a total beginner, but then you just have to put in the time and work required. So guys, the third way to actually go from zero to over $2,000 per month on the internet is basically through freelancing. Now, what I mean by freelancing is simply you offering digital services. Now, this could be over the internet or basically like, okay, let me just stick with the internet since I'm talking about the internet. So basically offering digital services through the internet. Now, these services could actually be things like graphic design, video editing, it could be simple video scripting or blog post writing, or offering general copywriting services. So basically, when it comes to freelancing, there are so many services that you can actually offer out there. So if you are someone who has a skill, basically video editing, graphic designing, or any other skill that you can actually offer as a freelancer, I will actually advise to take it seriously because you can actually make a lot of money through it. Like, basically, most of you are giving up because you are using platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to seek for a job, and then you are not getting jobs, so you are giving up as a freelancer. Now, here is the truth. If you are someone who already have a skill and really interested in making money through through freelancing, now what I would advise you to do is simply don't stick to platforms like Upwork and then Fiverr to actually look for a job. One thing I advise to do is that build your own social media profiles. Now, you can create your own Facebook page, create a Facebook page dedicated to your business, create a Twitter handle, create a LinkedIn profile. Now, basically, once in a while, just do projects and then use it to update your profiles over and over again. And whenever you're uploading, make sure that you're using the right hashtag, and also grow your social media platforms. Now, when your social media platforms keep growing, your clients will be the ones to actually look for you and not you looking for them, because most of the people that I'm actually working with right now, I wasn't the one who even applied in person. Like, basically, most of the jobs that I applied in person, I didn't get majority of them. The ones that I got, majority of the ones that I'm doing till now is basically the ones that the company contacted me myself. And basically, I get most of my clients through LinkedIn, Instagram, my X handle, and also on this YouTube channel. Like, basically, this YouTube channel is my superpower when it comes to offering my digital services as well. Like, basically, for me, I offer video editing, graphic designing, and other services as well, alongside the content creation and forex trading that I'm doing. So basically, that aside, if you are someone who doesn't have let me say who doesn't have a skill yet, and you are interested in actually offering digital skills, then one thing I advise you to do is I will simply learn a skill. On your YouTube right now, just search for the most profitable or the easiest freelancing skills to actually offer, or freelancing services to offer, and you are going to see a lot of videos. Now, basically, take one of those videos, watch it without skipping any particular point, and see a list of the best paying skills that they have available for you. And I've also made a video about the top 5 highest paying skills that you actually need to learn if you really want to make money off the internet, and I'll be tagging that in the description as well. And at the same time, you can also look it up on YouTube and then look for any other video out there that can give you a list of the ones that actually suit you. Now basically take any of those skills from here, go learn it, and then enjoy yourself. Basically, now, as I already said in the intro, there's nothing like success is never sweet without any hard work or discipline. So if you really want to enjoy success, you need to put in the hard work and discipline. Without that, you are not going to enjoy any bit of it. So basically, that is all I have for you in this particular session. Now, for those of you who already have this skill, who are also hunting on freelancing platform, you can go check this particular video that I'll be showing here at this top right. Another video will actually take you to a particular video that I've actually shared 5 of the less competitive freelancing platforms. Now those platforms are way less competitive as compared to Fiverr and Upwork. So basically, you can take advantage of those platforms to actually get more jobs easier as well. So I'm a freelancer just like you. So basically, I know what I'm recommending to you. So guys, the fourth one on our list is actually affiliate marketing. So what's online hustle without affiliate marketing? Like, affiliate marketing is also a very profitable online hustle. However, is one of them that actually require not too much work actually, but then you need to put in some patience in actually doing it, because you can't just get started and then start making money off affiliate marketing like the way it's made to seem on YouTube and then other social media platforms by most of these gurus. So but when it comes to affiliate marketing, it can easily take you from 0 to over $2K and even more if you put in the time and dedication required, because affiliate marketing is a business model whereby you just pick a product, promote that product, and then you earn a commission for it. So for example, for the sake of this video, let me use this wristwatch I'm wearing as an example. So basically, let me say you sign up as an affiliate for this particular wristwatch that you want to promote. Let me say the price of this wristwatch is $1,000. Now the company can say, okay, we are going to give you 20% if you sell this wristwatch to any buyer who is interested. So now basically, when you take this wristwatch and go promote it right now, and someone actually clicks your link to buy the wristwatch, if the wristwatch is cost $1,000 and then they are giving you 20%, meaning you are going to generate $200 from selling this single wristwatch alone. And the truth is that what if you actually take your time to build the right audience and then promote the right product to them, making that won't be a big deal at all. So basically, in this session, affiliate marketing is very simple. You get a product, you promote a product, you earn your commission and leave. Now, it sounds simple, but it's actually not really that simple. But then I've actually made a video for you that will make it way more simpler for you, because that video I've actually shown you on how you can actually use AI to, first of all, build your social media platform, like getting the right audience that you actually need to promote this product to, and then secondly, using AI to market this product to them as well. So if you are interested, you can actually go watch the video flashing on your screen right now. So that video will take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can actually start affiliate marketing with AI for 100% free, and I'll give you all the prompts you actually need to make it possible in that video, so you can go check it out. So basically, for me, when it comes to going from 0 to over $2,000 a month, you can't actually write affiliate marketing off. Now, as I always say, you have to put in some work and dedication to actually hit those margins. I didn't just wake up one morning and then hit those margins and then start sharing my tips here on YouTube. I basically, whilst I was creating this YouTube channel, doing my things on this YouTube, I was at the same time also working and then implementing these things over and over again. My first affiliate account did not fly from 0 to $2K. It started with $10 commission, $20 commission, $30 commission, gradually, my first 100 commission, straight up, my first 500 commission, my first 1,000 commission, and that's how it actually get to where or wherever place it is at the moment. So this is one thing I also advise to do as well. So basically, you can utilize all this business model, but then you have to implement patience to actually hit the right margins. So guys, the final one I have for you here is simply selling digital products. So selling of digital product is also a very profitable business as well if you can actually put in the time. And when it comes to selling digital products, here is the whole idea. The first thing you do is that we look for a product that people are highly in demand of. Now this could be ebooks, creating ebooks on particular topics that you have knowledge about. This could be creating normal budget management tips, travel, all these travel packing tips, and some other miniature tips that you can actually create ebooks about, or just a normal PDF file, and then people get to download this one. However, before they download it, they have to buy it from your online store first. And you don't have to set up this online store, because all you need is a platform like Etsy or Printify. What you basically do is that you go onto these platforms, you create your store, and then you go over to a platform like Canva. You use it to use the already made designs that are available there for this particular product or PDF files, and then you just edit it, download it as PDF, and then go upload it over there and make your sales. Now, honestly speaking, for you to make $2,000 with this method, it's actually not easy. It will totally depend on the kind of product you actually make. Like someone who creates online courses and then sell, and someone who creates ebooks and then sell, will actually make way more money than someone who creates all these travel guide and then these mini PDFs files. So basically, if you are looking forward to start a business whereby you create and sell digital products, and you actually want to know the right digital product to create and sell so you can generate revenue faster, then I've also made a video available for you, flashing on the screen right now. You can go watch that video. In that video, I've actually created a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually start making money selling digital products. Now, I didn't just say this is how you can do it, but I showed you a practical guide on how you can create a product, set up your online store, and also start selling that particular product. So guys, this is all I have for you in this video. So taking a quick recap, there are 5 simple ways in which I personally shared with you, because these are methods that I am aware of, that I have personally used. First one is simply starting a print-on-demand business. Secondly is basically getting into content creation. Thirdly, freelancing. Fourth, affiliate marketing. And then finally, starting selling digital product. Now, if you actually find this video helpful, then I believe you like every single video I upload on this platform. So kindly help me smash that subscribe button. Also like this video as well. So see you in my next video. Bye.